I struggle the most with harvesting tomatoes because I often pick them too early and they end up tasting flat and watery instead of sweet. Sometimes I do it too late when the fruit has gone soft and mushy. This time around, I want to do it right. So here are the telltale signs I have found that will also help you know if your tomatoes are truly ripe. First, you need to know roughly when to start looking. Every variety of tomato has its own days to maturity, which is the rough stretch from transplanting to ripe fruit. The early types are ready in about 55 days, and the later ones need 85 or more days. To know the exact number that applies to yours, find it printed on the seed packet, or check the seed company's website. As that date approaches, that is your cue to start keeping an eye on your tomatoes. Begin with the color, as it is the easiest to read. When a tomato is getting ripe, the skin gradually turns the mature shade of whatever variety you are growing. A standard red type is easy to judge, but it gets harder with yellow, white, purple, or striped kinds. So if you are unsure, look at your seed packet to remind yourself what ripe should look like for that plant. Either way, you want that color spread across almost the whole fruit, somewhere around 90% of it before you pick it. Once the fruit starts coloring up, check every day or two because a ripe one can split after a heavy rain that follows a dry spell and can turn overripe within hours. Next is how the tomato feels in your hands. A tomato that is not ready feels hard, and you want it to soften just a touch before picking, so press it softly near the base, since the fruit ripens upward from there. If it stays firm, that is not truly ripe. Give it a few more days on the plant, but if it gives slightly under your finger while still holding its shape, it is truly ripe. Then there's the smell. You see, tomatoes grow more fragrant as they ripen. If you are still unsure after checking the color and the feel, give the fruit a quick sniff at the stem end. A ripe one gives off that warm, unmistakable tomato scent, while an underripe one smells of almost nothing. And lastly, there's how easily your tomatoes come off the vine. A truly ripe tomato should come off with a gentle tug, and if yours doesn't separate with a light pull, it is not ready. And never force it, since tugging can damage the plant or knock off other fruit that is still ripening. So use this one gently, more of a quick test than your actual picking method. When it is time to actually harvest, clip it off with snips or shears instead, which spares both the fruit and the plant.